Hoy, tara, intro na tayo.
Go na lang.
Sabot na. Ay, tara. 5, 6, 7, go.
Good day, Asiaticians! Halina't
Makiisa.
makialam, makinig,
Matuto
at mag-enjoy sa ating pag-aaralan. Tara na!
Hi.
Hala, nahulog. Yan. Wait lang. Yan. Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into 3 essential concepts in statistics: mean, median, and mode. These measures help us understand and interpret data more effectively. Let's get started. Hi guys, so let's proceed to our topic. Mean. The mean, also known as the average, is the sum of all values in a data set divided by the number of values. It's a great way to find a central tendency of a data set. So first, let's calculate the mean of these numbers. First, i-add natin to lahat. 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 equals to 75. Then, bibilangin natin yung set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide 5. 75 divided by 5 is equal to 15.
The median represents the middle value in data set. When it's arranged in ascending order, if there's an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle values. The median is less sensitive to outliers than the mean. So, ang first step natin ay i-arrange natin ang mga given numbers to lowest to highest. So, 10, 12, 15, 18, and 20. After natin i-arrange, gagamitin na natin tong formula. So, yung n, ang lalagay natin dyan are kung ilan yung given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. After nun, ang gagawin na natin ay ipagpa-plus na itong dalawa, which is 5 plus 1 equals 6. After that, i-divide na natin siya. So, 6 divide 2 equals 3. So, ang median natin are 15. Kasi, 1, 2, 3. Kasi siya yung pangatlo. So, even numbers na tayo. Parang ganun din. I-arrange din natin yung numbers to lowest to highest. After natin siya ma-arrange, gagamitin na natin tong formula. So, ang gagawin natin ay ilalagay natin sa n kung ilan yung numbers, which is 10. And 10 din dito. After that, i-divide na natin yung 10 sa 2, which is magiging 5. Dito din, i-divide din natin siya yung 10 sa 2. Pero may plus 1, so magiging 6. After that, hahanapin na natin yung pang-5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, magiging 50. And yung pang-6 naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, magiging 60. After natin yan mahanap, ipagpa-plus na natin yan. So, ang magiging sagot ay 100.
The mode is a value that appears most frequently in a dataset. A dataset can have one mode, which means unimodal, and two mode, which means bimodal, or more means multimodal. If all values appears with the same frequent, there is no modal. The first set, 10, 12, 15, 15, 18, 20. So, dalawang beses na ulit yung number 15, which means siya ay unimodal. Second set, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20. So, walang naulit na number, which means there is no mode.
The mean, median, and mode are valuable tools to summarizing and understanding data. The choice of which measure to use depend on the specific data set and the information you're trying to extract. Understanding this concept is crucial for interpreting data effectively with various fields. Thanks for watching.